We're here preparing my favorite Thanksgiving side dish to go with any Thanksgiving meal. I'm not American, as you already know, I'm English. We don't do Thanksgiving in England. However, we do Christmas dinner, which is kind of comparable in certain senses. So I'm gonna do one of my favorite Christmas dinner things and pass it off for Thanksgiving, it'll be fine. First things first, I'm a firm believer in any holiday food meal prep. You cannot go without a good glass of red. Don't worry about what time in the morning or what day it is. And then what I'm gonna be cooking is pigs in blanket. We have some English chipolatas, streaky bacon, honey, Worcester sauce, rosemary. You slice the rasher of bacon in half, you got the sausage in half, you roll it up. Once it's all cooked, we then give it a kind of honey and Worcester sauce glaze. So then from here, half an hour, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, I've been working on the wine. A couple more minutes just while the pigs and blankets finish off. Start with some Worcester sauce and some honey, and it kind of caramelizes it. And some rosemary just to give it a little bit of woody seasoning. A little bit of smoke, don't worry about that. We'll take this to the office and see if I win.